In this rare footage, we see one of the world's most deadliest predators, the hummingbird. Watch as he stalks his prey by looming over them. But then swoops in his larger cousin, the sparrow, wanting to take part of the feast, no doubt. But then the hummingbird advances towards the sparrow, flapping his wings furiously, indicating that he could crush the sparrow's head more than 50 times within seconds. This realization paralyzes the sparrow in fear, leaving the hummingbird free to continue on its deadly warpath, devouring all within its midst. Now let's see what's left in the wake of the hummingbird's destruction. Nothing but the carcasses of its victims, showing why the hummingbird sits atop the food chain.